Hi everyone, I'm Lea from OLea Braids. Today I will show you 5 easy summer hairstyles. A beautiful summer day calls for a bright scarf to go with your hairstyle. So, get your scarf. Fold it in half to get a triangle. Then roll it up. The first hairstyle will be a ponytail with a scarf. Brush or comb out your hair. Gather all of it and tie it with an elastic. Now grab your scarf that you just folded up and make a knot over the hair tie. Adjust it slightly. There you go! Your ponytail is ready. It's perfect for the summer. The second hairstyle will be a headband from a scarf. To start, pick 2 small sections at the front. Secure the rest of your hair into a bun or clip it away. Now, place the scarf around your head and tie it twice at the front. Finally, let out your hair. Done! Your headband hairstyle is ready. It's so cute! The third hairstyle will be a bun with a scarf. Separate your hair into 2 equal sections. Tie them into low ponytails. Now make 2 holes close to the hair ties. Feed the scarf through them. Center it carefully. Next, English braid your ponytails with the scarf as the third strand. Tie them with a small clear elastic. Pull out the braids a bit. Now, wrap and twist them into a bun. Tie the ends into a knot, too if it's still long. Tuck the rest under the bun. Finally, secure it with some bobby pins. Voila! Your bun is all set. The next hairstyle will be Dutch braid pigtails. First, separate your hair into 2 equal sections. Tie or clip one of them away. Now pick a small section, separate it into 3. Try to make it as equal as you can. Now place the left section under the middle, then the right section under the middle. Add hair to the left section and cross them under the middle. And add hair to the right section and cross them under the middle. Repeat this until you combined every strand. Tie them with elastics. Lastly, pull out the braids a little bit. Your Dutch braid pigtails are done! It's the best hairstyle for hot summer days. The last one will be a braided half up with a scarf. To begin with, pick a bigger section of hair at the top of your head. English braided. Tie it with a small elastic. Grab your trusty scarf and secure the braid with it. Yay! Your braided half up is ready. You look so pretty. Try these hairstyles and comment down below if you did. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this. Bye for now!